I'm going to be showing you how to log into your Wellcare provider portal login. So to log into the Wellcare provider portal, you just need to go to provider.wellcare.com. So open any of the browser that you have and type in provider.wellcare.com and enter your username and password. So you have this option right here that says username, and right below it you have password. Just go ahead and enter a username and now enter your password. Once you've done that, just tap on login and this will automatically log in to your Wellcare provider portal. So that's how you do it. If you're new, you have this option right here that says register an account. Just tap on this option right here if you're new and just enter your first name, your address, all of your information to create a Wellcare provider portal. So that's how you log into your Wellcare provider portal. I hope this video was helpful for you. Please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below, and we'll see you again in our next video. Thank you for watching.